How to remove auto color inside Davinci Resolve 17. On the edit tab, click on a clip, go to color, auto color, and that's the effect what I'm talking about. How to remove this one, because you cannot go to edit and undo. It's not going to remove the color modification, but it's undoing my editing, so redo. So to remove this auto color, you have to go to the color tab and open the nodes window. This is a node. Right click on that node and reset node grade, and that removes the auto color. Something similar is here on this one, color wheel. It has this letter A, auto balance it says, and it does a highly similar job, and that can be undone from here, not like the auto color, but if you don't like it, you can remove it from this one, reset node grade. And that's it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.